Wishing for a burner, the key lay right walking. You know that it's on the burner, but bitch will be.
So today I'm going to show you how to do a glitch for Make It Rain. And so how you want to do the glitch, you want to open up Make It Rain. Let me do something first. Okay, you open up Make It Rain. Just have to do it. Sorry guys, I just have to do this. Okay. Okay. So if I get all of this, go over to settings, whatever, an Apple or anything. Go to settings. And then if you have Android, you have to scroll all the way down to date and time. Click on date and time. Not that. Go to set date. And then maybe just go over a couple of months. Actually, not just go over. Actually, I was gonna try to go over one day. Let's see how much that gives me. Oh, you 18K. And then you keep on doing that, and you keep on getting more money. Stick there. And then you can just update your stuff. And then okay. Of course, that's a happy sorry guys. Okay, and then I got 180. But if you go back into date and time, you do the same thing you guys did. Put done. Go back in there. And you guys probably, yeah, you guys get the thing. So, yeah. But then when you get, when you come doing this hack, glitch, a hack, you have to, go over to the date and time on. So you have to go through months sometimes. Yeah, if you get more money. So, yeah, that's how you guys have to do this glitch. We'll Make It Rain. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys are new, subscribe. I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel. I know I just have like 3 videos, but I want to start with YouTube. I want to start to do YouTube videos, and hope you guys like, subscribe, and that's all I have to do for you today. Deuces.